Indian Premier League 2026 Qualifier 1 Royal Challengers Bangalore vs Gujarat Titans. Match played at Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium, Dharmshala. Gujarat Titans won the toss, elected to bowl first. Royal Challengers Bangalore 20 overs 254 runs lost by 5 wickets. Rajat Patidar is the highest scorer 93 runs 33 balls. Then Gujarat Titans best bowling spell Jason Holder 4 overs no maiden 39 runs 2 wickets taken. Gujarat Titans 19.3 overs 162 runs all out. Rahul Tewatia is the highest scorer 68 runs 43 balls. Then Royal Challengers Bangalore best bowling spell Kunal Pandya 3.3 overs no maiden 16 runs 2 wickets taken. Royal Challengers Bangalore won by 92 runs in this match. Player of the match Rajat Patidar. Congratulations Royal Challengers Bangalore.